Hello, everyone. Welcome to ELS, English Listening and Shadowing. I'm Jess.
Hi, everybody. I'm Ray, your other host. I'm here to make learning English fun and easy. Jess, how's your day going?
Oh, Ray, I'm so happy today. I had a yummy breakfast and the sun is shining. How about you? How are you today?
I'm great, Jess. I went for a run this morning and I feel awesome. Are you ready for today's topic?
Super ready. Today, we're talking about how to say goodbye in English. We'll show you 3 conversations, each from a different person's point of view. You'll hear goodbye phrases in formal, informal, and very casual situations.
Exactly. We'll act out these conversations, then explain them.
Okay, everyone, we're going to show you 3 conversations, each from a different person's point of view. The first is formal at an office. The second is informal at a mall. The third is very casual at a cafe with best friends. Each conversation includes goodbye phrases. Listen carefully. After each conversation, we'll explain the story and phrases. Ready, Ray?
Ready, Jess? Let's start with the first conversation, a formal situation at the office from the point of view of an employee named Sarah.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. Thank you for meeting with me today.
Good morning, Sarah. I'm happy to discuss your project.
I finished the report you asked for.
Great work, Sarah. Can you send it to me by email?
Yes, I'll send it this afternoon.
Perfect. Do you have any questions about the project?
Just one. When is the deadline?
It's next Friday. Plenty of time.
Okay, that's good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. I have another meeting now.
I understand. I'll let you go. Goodbye.
Have a great day, Sarah. I'll check your report later.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. Take care.
That was our formal conversation from Sarah's point of view. Sarah was an employee talking to her boss, Mr. Johnson, about a work project. She used polite goodbyes like, goodbye, have a nice day, take care. These phrases show respect and are perfect for offices, teachers, or strangers.
Right, Jess. Sarah was professional, and she shook hands with her boss to be polite. In formal situations, you want to sound kind and respectful. Now, let's move to the second conversation, an informal situation at the mall from the point of view of a student named Mike.
Hey, Lisa. It's so cool to see you at the mall.
Hi, Mike. Yeah, I'm shopping for new shoes.
Nice. Did you find anything good?
Yeah, I got some sneakers. Look at these.
Wow, those are awesome. Are you done shopping?
Almost. I need to get a gift for my mom.
That's sweet. What are you getting her?
Maybe a scarf. She loves colorful ones.
Good idea. I'm here to buy a new phone case.
Cool. Did you find one yet?
Yeah, I got a blue one. I need to go now, though.
Okay. See you at school. Bye.
Yeah, let's hang out soon.
For sure. See you later.
I'll text you about the homework later.
Great. Talk to you later.
Don't spend too much money shopping.
I'll try. Take it easy.
Okay, I'm off to the food court.
Have fun. Catch you later.
That was our informal conversation from Mike's point of view. Mike was a student who ran into his classmate, Lisa, at the mall. They used relaxed goodbyes like bye, see you later, talk to you later, take it easy, and catch you later. These are great for friends or classmates you know well.
Exactly, Ray. Mike and Lisa were friendly and waved at each other. In informal situations, you can be relaxed and maybe wave or smile. Now, let's do the last conversation. Very casual goodbyes at a cafe from the point of view of a teenager named Alex hanging out with his best friend.
Yo, Emma, this cafe is so cool. These milkshakes are awesome.
Right? I love the chocolate one. Thanks for coming with me, Alex.
No problem. Did you finish your homework yet?
Not yet. I'll do it tomorrow.
Same. What's your plan for the weekend?
Maybe go to the skate park. You in?
Totally. Let's go Saturday.
Sweet. I'll text you the time.
Cool. Oh, did you see that new movie?
Yeah, it was so funny. We should watch it again.
For sure. Okay, I gotta go soon.
All right, catch you later. See ya.
I'm done with my milkshake. Time to leave.
Okay, I'm out.
I'm late for my bus, Emma.
Run fast, dude. I've got to run.
Let's hang out tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, for sure. Later.
This was so fun. See you at the skate park.
You got it. Peace.
That was our very casual conversation from Alex's point of view. Alex was a teenager hanging out with his best friend Emma at a cafe. They used super relaxed goodbyes like, see ya, I'm out, I've gotta run, later, and peace. These are only for close friends or fun, casual moments.
Right, Jess. Alex and Emma were super chill, using high fives and peace signs. In very casual situations, you can be fun and relaxed, but don't use these with your teacher or boss. Okay, Jess, why do these goodbyes matter?
Because the right goodbye makes you sound polite or friendly. In Sarah's office story, she used formal phrases like goodbye and take care to show respect to her boss. In Mike's mall story, he used informal phrases like bye and see you later to sound friendly with his classmate. In Alex's cafe story, he used casual phrases like see ya and peace to sound cool with his best friend.
Right. Jess, goodbyes aren't just words. You might shake hands in formal situations like Sarah did. You might wave with friends like Mike and Lisa. Or you might high five or make a peace sign with best friends like Alex and Emma. Watch what people do or do what feels okay for you. Okay, Jess, what if you use the wrong goodbye?
Imagine Sarah said peace to her boss in the office, just makes a peace sign and laughs. Her boss would be so confused. It might seem rude or weird. Or if Alex said goodbye to his best friend Emma at the cafe, she'd laugh because it's too serious. Using the wrong goodbye can make you sound strange or not confident. Practicing these phrases helps you sound natural and fit in.
That's it for our 3 conversations. You learned ways to say goodbye in English. For formal situations, use goodbye, have a nice day, or take care. For friends, try bye, see you later, or talk to you later. For super casual moments with best friends, say see ya, I'm out, or peace. These are only for close friends or fun casual moments.
That's right, Ray. Okay, listener. Thanks for watching ELS, English Listening and Shadowing. If you liked our conversations, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Click the bell so you don't miss our next video. In the comments, tell us, what's your favorite goodbye phrase? Or share a funny story about saying goodbye in English. We can't wait to read them.
Okay, we're done for today. Keep practicing and we'll see you next time. Catch you later.
Bye.
Bye.